guys, welcome back to Curly Walking. Today I'm giving you a tour of the perfect, colorful little street here in Little Havana in Miami, Florida. So we are currently in Calle Ocho, which is 8th Street here in Little Havana. And if you didn't know, Miami has a huge population of Cubans. So this is Little Havana, where a lot of Cubans have been established. And Calle Ocho, which is the 8th Street, is a street full of Cuban businesses. It has Cuban art. It has all the flavors, colors, and a wonderful cultural element of the Cuban culture. So what exactly is there to see here in Calle Ocho? What is there to do? What can you see? I'm going to show you all about it. Before we begin the tour, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button for more videos like this. So as soon as you come on the street, the first thing you get is a lot of color and a lot of music. Every single business I've come across has a little bit of Hispanic or Cuban music, and it's just very fun just to look at. There's a lot of murals dedicated to Cuban culture, Cuban stars as well. Also, on this street you get a walk of fame where there are little stars on the floor, and they have names of Cuban artists and renowned people of the Cuban culture. There's obviously a lot of places to eat, a lot of little coffee shops that you can get your Cuban cortadito, and it's just a really colorful, wonderful place to be. I like it. a McDonald's that has a very, very cool graphic paint to it. So this is the McDonald's building, and it's painted all in Cuban art, as you can see. Park is a little park dedicated to just playing dominoes. It's a very Cuban thing to do. It's a very Hispanic thing to do. And I think it's the perfect touch for Calle Ocho here in Little Havana. Walking around here in Calle Ocho, I found myself a little street market that is so cute. They have artisanal products and it's just really nice. They're gonna have a live band later at 4 p.m. I just found out this little street market is being opened Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so just for the weekend, and they're gonna have live music, so that's really cool. also get a tour of little cigar shops that show you exactly how cigars are made here in Little Havana. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Calle Ocho in Little Havana. This is me signing out. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye!